Guys, we're being looted!
Let it snow.
Donnie, what did I say about the puns?
Freeze!
Prototype Oscorp weapons. Worth a fortune on the black market.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Hi there, boys.
Stark!
You know, if you're gonna steal tech, can you at least steal good tech? Get out of here. Okay, I've got a party to get back to, so I'll just make this quick. I'm gonna roast your chestnuts!
Still,
Put me down, tin can! Jarvis, give me the hand repulsors.
let go of me.
Don't worry, Donnie. I'll save you. Baby, it's cold outside. Merry Christmas.